everyone, I hope you enjoyed our little cloud story on Monday. Today I'm going to show you a video of how to make some cloud bread. So in my bowl I've got some egg whites and some sugar and some corn flour. I'm just going to add one more egg to show you. So I'm going to crack it open and do it really carefully. Now, put some more egg whites in. Okay. And then I'm going to get my whisk and I'm going to whisk it all up until it's really, really thick. Okay, but it's going to get a bit noisy. Still need to keep going. I'm going to add in some food colouring. I'm going to make mine purple. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what colour it turns. Ready? Let's see if it's thick enough. Oh, nearly. Still a little bit slippy. One more time. Okay, so this should be ready and I'm going to test it. Are you ready? If it doesn't fall on my head, it's ready to go in the oven. Ready? Oh, phew. Okay, I'm going to get my spoon. I'm going to put it on my tray. Make it a lovely cloud shape ready. Go in the oven. I'm going to scoop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spoonfuls on my tray, and I'm going to try and make it nice and round to look like a cloud, but you can choose any shape for yours. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 minutes and see what happens. See you soon. Hi again. So I've got my bread, my cloud bread, out of the oven. Still quite warm, it's really bouncy. So I'm going to rip a bit off and give it a try. Let's see what it's like. Ooh, look. Really? Oh, look, you can see it's still hot, but it's really fluffy inside. Break a little bit off to try. Mmm. Yummy. Mmm. Delicious. Yummy. Cloud bread. I wonder if you can try it at home. See you soon.